Assalamualaikum and welcome back to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing very different shrimp recipe. I'm making shrimp masala curry. It's basically a Pakistani style masala gravy and then we add shrimp in there. You can have it with some naan or chapati roti or even with some steamed rice as well. It's very quick and easy weeknight dinner, and of course you can serve it to any party as well. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start our recipe with Bismillah. First we're gonna make our curry. For that I'm heating up some oil in a cooking pot and adding some chopped onions. Now we need to cook onions until they get very nice light golden color. When onions are almost to the doneness, I add some freshly minced garlic because I want garlic to get cooked as well. And then just mix for like a minute or two, then add some ginger paste as well. Mix, and as soon as the onion get the color, I'm adding some chopped tomatoes. Start cooking tomatoes for like a minute or two, and then I'll season this gravy with some salt and red chili powder. Now if you like that yellowish color in your gravy, you can add a little bit of turmeric as well, but I didn't add any. Mix well, then cover and simmer and let it cook until tomatoes are soft and tender. Release all its water and oil separates like so. If you think there is a big chunk left, you can just press it with the back of your spoon. Now we'll add some shrimps. I already washed the shrimps, take their veins out and tail out, and now start cooking on medium to high flame until shrimps are tender, which not gonna take a lot of time. It will get tender like in 5 to 8 minutes, I'd say. And you can see when they are curling up and their translucent color is turning into a solid color, it means shrimps are tender. Now simmer. In the end, we're just gonna add some dried fenugreek leaves, chopped cilantro, and some chopped green chilies. Mix everything well and cover and let it cook for like 5-10 minutes on dum, so all the seasoning will mix through and shrimp will get all that flavor, and your quick and chatpat shrimp masala curry is ready to serve. As you can see, it's so quick and it turns out so delicious. You can serve it to your guest, or it's a perfect weeknight dinner. You can have it, and it's so versatile as well. You can have it with some naan, chapati roti, some boiled rice, or garlic fried rice, or even with some chow mein noodles. Oh, it tastes so delicious. My family loved it, and if you're trying this recipe at home, please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below, and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.